So student, now I am going to show you a employee salary calculation form, okay, based on that. So here we will keep radio button and the text box. So according to the radio button, like in radio button we will keep gender. So according to the gender as well as the age you select from the combo box, the salary will be calculated. That is what we are going to perform here. Okay, so accordingly let's design the form first. We will write, suppose enter your name. At first the employee has to give his name, so I am writing here input type equal to text, name equal to t1. Fine, this is sufficient for name. Then enter your gender. I am just copying this as well. Enter your gender. Here I am using br twice, so that there will be gap in between. So writing gender, and gender will be what, students? Now radio button, so radio has to be written, and r1 I have taken, and value equal to m. I will say you later what for that value I wrote, what is the importance of that value. Now I am copying and pasting for female, which r1 let it be, but here we have to write f, and here I can make female. Fine, let's see how the design get done till yet. Just check, students. Fine, so now let's continue with other information. So for the, suppose we want to take a list box. Okay, in list box we want to enter age of the employee. So here I can write enter your age. Fine, enter your age. That age we will enter as a list box. So list box, the command all of you knows, as you have seen in previous video. So select name equal to s1, then size equal to, let's do combo box, suppose. So name equal to combo, because list box already we have seen. So combo box we can do c1, then we can do what, nothing else, that much is sufficient. Then we can end the select. Okay, now we have to take the options with the values. Option value equal to, suppose employee will work in between, suppose what age, suppose 35 age, we are keeping the value as 35, and here we can write 35. Fine, so same way we can keep here 36, the value I can keep here 36. Okay, understanding, students, what I am doing? The value of the employees, the age of the employees I am just specifying here in combo box. So you have to do like this. Fine, and suppose I kept it as a combo box. Let's see how it look like. How does it look? Let's check. See, this is how you can select from here. This is the example of combo box. Okay, so now what we have to do, we can take button, because after clicking on the button, okay, one more thing, salary we forget to take, students. So we have to take salary. I am just copying this. I can copy this line better. So salary, because text field it will be enter your salary, because based on salary the other things will be calculated. So I am taking here T2. Fine, so enter your salary, and that is BR also we supposed to give. So after this select, here I am giving BR. Fine, so till here the design get done like this. Okay, so now I can salary, the size of the salary, you see the text field is too big. I can reduce that size also. There is size option, suppose size 5 I gave. Let's see whether it is supporting or not. Yes, it's supporting. Fine, so now I can take one button. So button is very much required in all the cases. So type button. I took here, name is not mandatory, so let remove, size also let remove. Just I can make a value equal to, suppose you say display. Okay, display. Fine, so display. Now on click equal to calculate, because the calculate is the function which we have taken. Fine, then we will take the form as well as the in form we have to pass the values. So what are the values we should pass, students? We should pass suppose what you say gender, and so first let's do gender first. This is gender. Thereafter we should pass age, so that is f1.c1.value. Then we should pass what? Salary, so that is f1.t2.value. So three values I am passing from the HTML to where? To script part. So first one is what, student? Gender. So I am taking G, suppose, comma, then I am passing age, so I am taking A, then I am passing salary, so I am taking S. Okay, this is how the values I got. First let's check by printing them. So I am just printing them. Document dot write, I am just printing them. Fine. G, giving little gap, then I am printing A, giving little gap, then printing S. Okay, let's check this much first, whether it is working or not. Okay, name male and 35, 36, salary I am giving 4,500, display, yes, very fine, nicely it is showing, students. So till yet we are perfect, fine. So now the calculation part we need to do, because already we learn if. So I can use here if G equal to what, students? Male, G is male, so sorry, G for female, gender is male or female. So here the value better to take 1, and here let's take 2. So nicely it can recognize. So here I made G equal to 1. Fine. So if G is 1, then we have to calculate the bonus. So where bonus, B variable I took for bonus, and total I took T. Fine. So here I am doing what? Now B equal to, bonus equal to salary multiplied by what? Suppose 10% I want to give, 10 divided by 100. Okay. So now let's just copy and specify for the else part. So here I am giving suppose 5%, I am just specifying how you said 5 divided by 100. Okay. So after it get done, let's print that document part, document dot write. Let's print the B, whether it is working or not. Let's check first this much. Okay, name female 35, let it be 36, and 4,500. Yes, 225 it is printing. So suppose I am giving male with 36. Now I am printing suppose 4,500. So how much it is giving? 450. Yes, it is changing. Fine. Why it is changing the value? Because for male we have given more the percentage. Now we have taken age also, students. Suppose here one more criteria I want to keep. If the age is more than, equal to 40, if the person's age is more than equal to 40 and gender is male, then only this is the percentage you are going to get. Fine. Otherwise if a person is male and less than 40, then 5%. Fine. And for female else, otherwise I can copy this part, because for female again that more than 40 and less than 40 we need to find out. Suppose I am doing here 12% and here I am doing 6%. Fine, students. And when I am printing, before printing I need to find out the total equal to salary plus bonus. Fine. Now suppose I want to print the entire thing. So how can I do? See, before I am using BR here, because I need to print it properly. BR means it will come to the next line. So here I can make salary is what? S. Fine. So copy, then what you want to print? Bonus B. See, always I am part wise I am doing the program, part wise, doing little checking. If it is working fine, then I am proceeding. So that is how always you should do in case of JavaScript. Okay, let's check at least this much we are getting the result or not. So now I am just feeding the name, male or female I am specifying, 36 age I gave, then gave 6,000.